The US Supreme Court is considering whether the biggest sexual discrimination case in America's history should go ahead. Retailing giant Walmart is accused of not promoting women and paying them less than men. It's a case that could have huge ramifications and is being closely watched by big business. From Washington, here's Lisa Miller.
Walmart, don't be a jerk. Equal pay for equal work.
This case is already a decade old, but passions still run high.
And there's this huge American stereotype about people who are poor being lazy, but in reality, the poor people in this country are working very hard every day, and the major corporations aren't giving them what they need.
The protesters came armed with stories of discrimination.
I had a co-worker who was a maintenance supervisor. She was a female. Every male that came into that Walmart to work, they came in making the same amount that it took her 10 years to get to.
Christine Kwapnowski joined the lawsuit after missing out on promotions.
When I was asking what I needed to do, I was told to blow the cobwebs off my makeup and to doll up.
6 women lodged the initial lawsuit. The Supreme Court now has to decide if they can lodge a class action and represent at least 500,000 employees.
Walmart may be a big company, and that is no doubt, but they're not big enough to where they can be challenged in a court of law.
Walmart has almost 4,500 stores in the US and is the world's biggest retailer.
We've had policies, strong policies against discrimination in place long before the lawsuit was filed. I remember learning about those policies when I joined the company.
These proceedings are being closely watched by big business, which is worried that if the women succeed, it could open the floodgates for other cases and for billion-dollar payouts.
The court's decision on whether to allow a class action is due in June.